We are Trinity Academy of Irish Dance. I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about our shoes and dresses and vests today. So in the front we have our old school Trinity dress. So this dress has red on it, green, gold, and white, and it is based off of the ancient Book of Kells, which is a huge Irish tradition and big in Irish history. Behind them we have our solo dresses and solo vests. These are earned when our dancers are a little bit older and they are competing and they're performing more often. Each dress and vest is made uniquely for the dancer and created for them. So they all have different artwork on them. And if you look down at our shoes, in the front we have our soft shoes right here. These are really good to help with their spins and their kicks and leaps and getting them high up off the floor. In the back we have our hard shoes. These are our louder shoes that we use. Way back in Irish history, we used to pound nails into the heels of shoes just to make that tapping noise. But times have changed and now we use fiberglass for our tips and heels to make that loud tapping noise.